Is your Redmi phone showing system launcher keep stopping? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve this system launcher keep stopping problem. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps. Now, search System UI. Here it is. Tap on it. Now, if you look at the bottom, you will see the option called Clear Cache. Tap on it. Then tap OK. Now go back. This time, tap on System UI plugin. Now tap on Clear Data from the bottom. Then tap Clear All Data. Next, tap OK. Go back. Now search Android System Web View. Tap on it. Now tap on Install Updates from the bottom. Tap OK to confirm. Now tap Clear Data. Then tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After that, go back. Now search System Launcher. Tap on it. Now tap on Uninstall Update from the bottom if there is one. I don't have it on my phone right now, I can't show you. After that, go back to home screen and restart your device. And that's it. Hope your issue is solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.